Yeah, it's gotten dark in there.
Sun is setting fast. Somebody took too long eating that big old chocolate cake and ice cream.
Was it you or me?
Not me.
Okay, because I need 2 hands to try to find where this comes around. Oh, I got it. I got it. Maybe quicker than I thought. Okay, it goes here.
Now don't let anything metal slip back and grab any bare lugs on the back of this alternator.
Okay.
Because it'll be sparky time.
That's terrifying. Right now?
If you hit it. That's what I'm saying, don't hit it.
Okay, I think I would turn it this way because I want to... Hold on. It's upside down.
Okay.
This would be off if it was right side up.
Okay.
Getting all combobulated. How would I take this off? Like that. I would take it. But it's upside down, so I'm going to do it like this.
Okay. Let me
Is that
read.
true?